Ryan at Janine Marie ay mangangako na ipagpapatuloy ninyo ang matagal nyo nang ginagawa para sa isa't isa. At ito'y walang iba kundi ang magmahal.
Mahal, salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal, alaga, pag-iintindi sa akin. Isa lang sasabihin ko sa'yo, mahal na mahal kita. Hindi kita pababayaan, nandito lang ako lagi sa tabi mo. Ako lagi ang kakampi mo sa lahat ng bagay.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil binigay ka niya sa akin. Ramdam ko yung suporta na binibigay mo sa akin sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. At gusto ko sa
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we...
Sobrang ako nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon dahil nakilala kita. Napakaswerte ko at blessed na mapapasalan na kita. Pinapangako ko na alagaan, susuportahan, iintindihin kita at mamahalin na sobra.
You think it's easy. You think I don't wanna run to you, but there are mountains and there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can
Ang dahilan kung bakit kayo nagpasya na magpakasal at kung bakit kayo umabot sa yugtong ito ng inyong buhay ay sapagkat naranasan ninyo ang katapatan ng inyong pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. At yan lang naman ang sikreto ng pag-aasawa.
can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight.
All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you.
It feels impossible.
Not impossible.
Is it possible?
Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart. 'Cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Changing the world to be ours.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I tried to hide, but I can't have you. We're bound to break and my hands are tied.